Saan ko ba pwede ito? Wala lang. Hi. So, I'm having an online class right now. I want to film myself. I want to make a vlog because I look so good.
What?
Joke lang. Ayan o. Nakabang na yan. Hindi yan sa akin. Ang kulit ng camera. Baka hindi na sila manood sa akin. Well, anyways. Mamaya pa namin yung start ng klase. Though, nag-start na kanina. Natapos na yung first course. But then, we have another course later on. Around 1 o'clock. We have a inclusive education. We're going to study it. I think that's one of my favorite course on this first semester, second year of studying BSET, majoring in English. So, wala lang. Hi! Wala na intro, you know. Anyways, I want to make a vlog. Bye! Balitaan ko na lang kayo later. Oh, feeling! Balitaan ko na lang kayo later. Bye! Today is September 5. No, September 6, 2024. And I'm very... Ano yun, one time nakakatamad pumangon ngayon. Very cozy. Very cozy. Cozy. Alam nila yan, ng mga klase ko. So, mamaya na ha. Bye.
You know I still got your back, no matter.
So, hindi na nakapag-vlog dahil sunod-sunod yung klase. Pero okay lang. Katatapos ko lang gumawa ng activities. Katatapos lang din ng lesson. And it's already, what time is it? Let me check. It's already 6 na rin. So, 6 na rin. At tapos na ang aming online class. And I'm so happy that wala, inantok lang ako. Pero masaya naman at the same time. Pero hindi ko na video yung mga ganap kanina kasi nakalimutan ko din. Sorry. Kaya jump na lang agad sa conclusion. Bye!